Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. And in today's video we have part 2 of the series I'm working on, where I select beginner friendly polishes for you guys. I looked at the poll, and at the time I looked at the poll you guys had selected Essie, but Essie and Orly were like super close, so we're gonna do Essie right now and then we'll do Orly. I'm gonna start with one of my favorite Essie polishes of all time, and it is not just the color, it is also the formula. It is fantastic, and that is Off Tropic. This is perfection. I don't mean to flip you off, but I have it here in my middle finger. This is one coat. You guys, this is perfect for the holidays, but not even just for the holidays. This is fantastic at any time of the year. It is gorgeous. It is very dark and mysterious, but you can tell it's green, so it's not one of those that always looks black everywhere. Oh my God, this polish, if it fits in your collection and it fits in your budget, I so highly recommend this that it's not even funny. Like, next we have a green for like a summery, springy type of feel. Is the one I have here on my ring finger at one coat, and that is Grass Never Greener. This is fantastic. This is from a recent collection. I believe it was a summer collection, maybe last year or the year before. I don't remember, but this green is beautiful. Again, I selected these 9. The list is huge. I could select 9 more, 10 times over, of really great Essie formulas and colors. But again, let's just enjoy my picks for now, and we'll do more if you guys want. But this green, if you can get your hands on it, this is one coat. At most 2 coats might be needed, but still, it's like so easy to apply. It's not even like a problem. Next up, we have something that I selected it because I love it so much and I still haven't forgotten it. This is Caftan. And I don't know if you can still get it. I have it, where are you, baby? Here on my thumb. This is like the perfect caramel kind of, maybe some people might consider it like a poopy color, I don't know. But it's so fantastic for fall. And it is a perfectly delish one coater. You guys, if you can get your hands on this, you will not regret it. Of course, assuming that these kinds of colors are for you. I'm taking a risk by selecting this one. But when I was thinking in my head of like fantastic Essie formulas, this one was one of them that I remember even from years ago. So I kind of like went with my gut feeling. Up next we have geranium. I don't know how to say this. This is like, when I look at it in the bottle, I feel like it's a coral. But when I put it on my nail, I have it here on my index finger, it feels like that summery red, that bright summery red, warm, but red. Like, it doesn't feel orange, it doesn't feel none of that. It doesn't even feel coral on the nail, but on the bottle it does feel corally a little bit. On the nail, it is the most perfect summery red there ever was. You could do one coat, but I feel like it's like I see some nail line, not because of any streaks or anything, but it might not be opaque enough like others, and you might need 2 coats. It depends on how you like that look. But anyways, 1 or 2, these are like perfect formulas, easy to work with, fantastic. I think this would look good on anybody, and it's one of those that you can get at any time. I think I bought this from, I don't remember where I got it. As a matter of fact, I don't even remember if Essie sent it to me or if I bought it, but I feel like it's one of those that's available everywhere. And trust me when I tell you, you will not regret it. This is also pedicure perfection. Up next, we have something that is just forever gorgeous because it's forever yummy. This red, I'm wearing it right here at one coat. It is fabulous. But again, reds are good. Any other Essie red is probably gonna be good as well. This one's just one of my favorites from them. I always remember, I have 2 bottles of this. I don't have 2 bottles of almost anything. I don't buy backups. I have 2 of these. I have 2 of something that I'm gonna show you at the end. I have 2 of some of them. This is one of them. It is fantastic. It's the perfect Christmassy holiday red. Doesn't have any warmth to it, but it also doesn't have pink. It feels like a true red to me. And reds tend to lean different places. This one is just beautiful. One coater, no problem whatsoever. Next up we have a hot pink. And this one, if you find any others, they're all great in formulas. But this is one that I remember and I always reach for it. And this one's Pencil Me In. I'm wearing it, where are you, here, my index. Again, a one coat. It's beautiful. I really love it. I have nothing else to say other than it's a wonderful pink with a fantastic formula. Probably a bunch of other Essies in this color range are also gonna be good, just like the reds, you know. But anyways, I don't know. I remember this one, so I chose it. The baby, the beauty, the fantastic Angora Cardi, and I don't know how to say. Is it Angora? I don't know. Angora Cardi. This polish, you need it. If I was to make a 10 polish collection, let's say you can only have 10 nail polishes for Essie. Don't make me do this across all brands. But let's say for Essie, if you told me you need to only pick 10 polishes, Angora Cardi will be one of them. This is one of the best formulas in the history of formulas. The color is gorgeous, it's classy, it's folly, but also I feel like it works all year round because it's just deliciousness in a bottle. This, baby, you need this. Next up, we have something that I don't know if you can find or not. I think it's part of their core collection, but I could be wrong, but I had to include it. This is Merino Cool. And I don't know if you say Merino or Merino. You guys, I don't know, I read in Spanish, okay? I'm sorry. This right here is like a gray purple. I think I did 2 coats here because my bottle, I added thinner and I think I made it too thin. Fantastic formula, doesn't matter, you have to do 1 or 2. This is a beauty. This self-levels like a dream. This looks so cute. It's like a gray with purple or a purple with gray. It's dusty, it's so gorgeous. I love it. You need it. I don't know. I say you need it, but you guys don't need anything, okay? Needing is like, it depends on your budget, your collection. You might already own something like this. Maybe it's out of budget for you or you don't need this specific color right now. So when I say you need it, I'm just like acting excitedly, like I'm excited about it, but it doesn't really mean like you guys have to like go around and buy anything, okay? So just keep that in mind. My last pick is the last for no reason other than I decided to order them in some sort of a rainbow thingy. But this is Smoking Hot. This is part of their core collection, I am pretty sure. And I have it here again, I don't mean to flip you off, but in my middle, no, this is not my middle finger. Yeah, this is, it dries a little bit darker maybe. This is like a darker version of this, but not really, because I feel like Merino Cool, it's kind of gray, whereas this one's purple with maybe some brown, I don't know. This is so gorgeous. And I know I selected a couple things that are similar, like these two are similar, but you guys, they're so wearable and so freaking gorgeous, like I had to, okay? Again, if I had to do a part 2 of Essie, I could find another 9 that I'm gonna be just as excited about, but these are like the ones that like jumped to my brain. All right, an honorable mention is to a polish that's called Infinity Cool. That blue, I'm gonna insert a swatch here for my Instagram because my bottle won't open, it's stuck. My husband's not here, I don't wanna break it. I want him to use one of his like tools to open it. Guys, that is, I think, one of the best blues of all time across all brands ever. You can get your hands on it, try to get it. I ended up buying a backup on eBay because you cannot find it. You cannot find it. So that's also why I didn't want to select it, because it's very hard to find and I want to provide things for you that you can find. You know, if you're trying to build a collection with easy to work with formulas, I want you to be able to find it. That one's hard, but if you can get your hands on it, do not miss the opportunity. Believe me when I tell you the blue, you will not regret it. And another honorable mention, what I have here on my pinky, I'm gonna insert a swatch for my Instagram here. Starstruck Accord. I don't even remember what collection this is from, but this, the formula on this is a dream come true. I didn't want to include a shimmer finish because we're gonna do another video with shimmer finishes and it's not fair. But anyways, just honorable mention because I did try it here on my pinky and I wanted to show you. Hey you guys, I hope that you like this picks. I think it's a pretty good range. You'll find something here that you like. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the next brand, which I think based on your poll was Orly. We'll do that. And then you guys also asked me to add an OPI one for shimmers, which we'll do. And if you want an Essie one with Essie shimmers, we can do that too. Just let me know. But anyways, thank you guys for clicking on my video and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.